I have got some 4 tips that I'm going to tell you guys if you are aware of them. Hi everyone, welcome to Grow with Mamata. So guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about confidence. Confidence is something that we can build. It is not something that we are born with. It is a skill that can be learned. Okay, if we put our efforts towards it, definitely we'll be able to learn this skill, confidence. We cannot build it in only one day. We can build it little by little. So I've got 5 tips that I'm going to share with you, and I hope that will motivate you a bit more to speak and to learn English more confidently, more fluently. Okay, and really it will make your learning experience more enthusiastic. Without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. First tip that I would like to tell you is laugh at yourself. Don't take it too seriously. Have a sense of humor. Don't take it too seriously. I want you to get used to laughing at your errors. Enjoy your errors. Errors are not bad at all. If you can laugh at them, it will make your learning experience much more pleasant. You know guys, when I make videos or when I'm just talking to myself, sometimes I realize I have made a mistake just before, and then instantly I start laughing at my ridiculous, hilarious and stupid errors, and then just I move on. And that's how, and the second time when I'm going to talk to myself or when I'm going to make a video, I have realized that mistake, that second time I do not have to make that mistake. In this way I am rectifying my mistakes, and I am trying to speak English more fluently, more confidently and more accurately. Make mistakes and learn from them and just move on. Guys, without making mistakes, we cannot speak fluent English. One day I was watching a video, and that was a podcast. There was a native speaker who was also saying that, come on guys, start speaking in English. Don't care about your mistakes. Even the native speakers make mistakes. I mean, make lots and lots of mistakes. Even they know that this is mistake. To make their speech more smoother and more fluent, they just make mistakes intentionally. So that we need to do is we have to make mistakes. We have to allow ourselves to make mistakes, and mistakes are not bad. Let's talk about third one. Third one is pretend you are confident. Once you spend enough time pretending you're confident, you actually start feeling genuinely confident. Though it would be real confidence, but it comes from that initial fake confidence. Okay, so how can we apply it to our English speaking? So let me tell you, whenever you're trying to speak or whenever you're talking to someone, hide those nerves, hide those feelings, hide your body language is key. Pretend that you know what you're talking about. Okay, but it doesn't mean you have to be arrogant. Nope. It means that you just want to show that you're not afraid of speaking. It will build a trust while listening to you. Okay, the fourth tip that I would like to tell you, immerse yourself in English. Immersion is really crucial, because once you immerse yourself into English language, you feel that language, you observe that language, you observe each and everything what's going on. You know what happens with English? When we try to speak in English, we don't feel this language, right? Our mother tongue is like our feeling. Okay, once we are angry, once we are so happy, when we speak our mother tongue, we feel like wow, relaxed. But when we speak in English, we don't feel like we are feeling it. We are like robotic. I'm just speaking the words. We are not feeling that actually, because it's not our mother tongue, it's not our original language, right? So all you need to do is you have to immerse. Once you immerse, so you feel that language. You can watch some TV shows, you can watch some movies, you can watch cartoons, you can it might be anything for you to immerse yourself in English. Once you immerse, so you'll get the feeling of that language, you will observe, you will feel that language. Okay, if you're really desperate to learn English language, if you intend to learn English language, there is a saying, when there is a will, there is a way. I mean, if you intend to learn English, there is a way to learn this. Let's move on. The fifth one. Fifth tip that I'm going to talk about is talk to yourself. I mean, guys, talking to ourselves, it's something else. Once we start talking to ourselves, we open our layers. We start knowing about ourselves. We start knowing about our potential, about our weaknesses, about our strengths. What are the things that I can do? What are the things that I cannot do? I cannot say how important it is, because once I do it, I always try to talk to myself. When I talk to myself, I feel more relaxed and composed after talking to myself, because while talking to myself, I solve so many problems, because I think it's life. We cannot control our life. We can do only what we want to do. The failures and success are not in our hands. Once we talk to ourselves, then we realize, I have something, I can do something. You will know about your talent while talking to yourself. This is the best thing to do ever, as I think. If you're not talking to yourself, that means you are missing something. Don't miss something. Live with yourself. Live with English. When you talk to yourself in the language, I mean in English language, you talk to yourself in English language, then only it would be helpful for you. And you must do it, as I recommend you, because it heals you, guys. It heals you. Talking to yourself. We all the time talk to people. You can talk about your past anecdotes. I mean, there would be any funny things in your past, that I was a kid, I was doing this with my friends, I was doing that, and that was too amazing, that was so funny moments of my life. Be grateful for everything. When you talk to yourself, be grateful for everything, that I have this life, I have this thing, I have my parents, I have this, I have that, I have so many things, so that I can use them and I can create my future, a better future for me. You can think like this. You can talk to yourself. Okay, talking to yourself, I cannot say how important it is again. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give you some tips, guys, so that you can incorporate them to enhance, to exude your confidence. Okay, so I have got some 4 tips that I'm going to tell you guys. If you are aware of them, so you will be comfortable, you will be confident enough. Okay, so I'm going to give you some of those. So in order to be confident, I think feeling confident is not much more important, even for me, from my perspective. Even if you are looking confident, is that most important, because you can feel confident in the world, but while talking to someone, while speaking in English, while doing anything, if you're not looking confident, your body is not looking confident, you are like loser, so there wouldn't be any meaning of your feeling of your confidence. Okay, so what am I saying is, first thing that I would like to tell you is your body posture. Posture is something that shows what you are. For example, you're going somewhere and your body language, your body is like this shrinkling right now, and you are hanging like this, so your body language is showing that you're lazy, loser. So what am I saying? Body language I'm talking about. So just whenever you are doing something, so what you need to do is, you have to stand up as tall as you can. Okay, put your shoulder blades down and as back as you can. Okay, like this, and pick up your chin and look straight ahead. Okay, so in this way you can make your body posture in a very, very appropriate way. Okay, and second thing that I would like to tell you is eye contact. Whenever you're talking to someone, so just maintain eye contact. Just try to look at the other person's eyes, and that means you are talking to that person, you're genuinely interested. It will establish a contact to each other. Okay, just do it. Maintain eye contact Okay, and the third thing that I would like to tell you for building your confidence is smile more. Closed body language like slouching and hanging your head, it actually lowers your testosterone and raises your cortisol, means stress hormones, and it will make you less powerful. So smiling, I mean, when you smile, your body releases happy hormones, endorphin. Okay, so smile more, it will make you more comfortable in the English, and it will make you more comfortable and likable and memorable while speaking in English. Okay, so let's talk about the next one. Speak slowly. Once, for example, you have to have a conversation with someone and you are scared and you are afraid of that. So what happens is, you might have ever noticed it is in you, we start speaking, we speed up and we start speaking like we are in a hurry, and all right, we are in a rush, and it makes us like we are insecure and sometimes out of self-control like that. So we have to speak slowly and comfortably and be fully relaxed and composed manner. You have to speak slowly, and it will make your speech and what you're trying to explain, it will be making your speech much more understandable and clear. So try to speak slow. Okay guys, I hope these tips and tricks that I have tried to explain to you guys, I hope this will be helpful for you. And please, if you like my content, do not forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel, and share with your friends so that they will be able to watch my video and learn something from me. Bye bye and take care.